Good afternoon, my name is Seb and I'm the Commercial Manager of CEME Business Park based out in Rainham in East London. Just wanted to talk you through some of the actions that CEME has been taking and is currently undertaking to ensure the continued safety for all of our customers and visitors to campus. So one of the big important things that we're obviously putting together at the moment is to ensure that nobody on campus has to be within 2 meters of anybody else. So social distancing is imperative. On top of that, we have stepped up our cleaning regimes across the board and we've inserted brand new hygiene stations wherever there's a touch point. We're really looking forward to having a lot of our customers and visitors return to us in the coming weeks and months. Stay safe and we'll see you soon.